Discovering the majestic world of eagles, the embodiment of power, grace, and keen intellect, stand as majestic symbols of the avian kingdom. With their impressive wingspans and sharp talons, these raptors have captivated human imagination for centuries. Let's delve into the awe-inspiring world of eagles and explore the characteristics that make them remarkable. Physical grandeur. Eagles are characterized by their large size, powerful build, and striking appearance. Their robust bodies, hooked beaks, and strong talons are perfectly designed for a predatory lifestyle. These birds of prey are known for their keen eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances while soaring high in the sky. Variety of species. The eagle family encompasses a diverse array of species, each adapted to its specific environment. From the iconic bald eagle of North America to the formidable martial eagle of Africa, eagles can be found on every continent except Antarctica. The different species showcase a range of sizes, colors, and hunting techniques, adding to the overall fascination surrounding these birds. Habitats and habits. Eagles inhabit a variety of landscapes, from mountains and forests to open plains and coastal regions. They are renowned for their impressive nesting sites, often choosing elevated locations such as cliffs or tall trees. Eagles are solitary hunters, and their diet typically consists of small mammals, birds, and sometimes even larger prey like deer or fish, depending on the species. Symbolism and cultural significance. Throughout history, eagles have held symbolic importance in various cultures. Many civilizations have revered eagles as symbols of strength, freedom, and nobility. The bald eagle, in particular, is the national bird and symbol of the United States, embodying the spirit of freedom and resilience. Conservation challenges. While eagles are revered and celebrated, they face numerous conservation challenges. Loss of habitat, environmental pollution, and illegal hunting pose threats to their populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats, mitigating human-wildlife conflicts, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving these magnificent birds. Conclusion. Eagles, with their regal presence and predatory prowess, continue to inspire admiration and awe. Whether soaring through the skies or perched on a lofty vantage point, these birds exemplify the untamed beauty of the natural world. By understanding and addressing the challenges they face, we can ensure that future generations will have the privilege of witnessing the splendor of eagles in the wild.